Good morning to the respected faculty, Dr. Deepali Jatmam and my colleagues. Myself, Ajay Kurmi, roll number Y19156005. So I am going to represent that how fever inhibit growth of the pathogens in our body. For that, first we have to understand the basic definition of inflammation and what is the cause of fever due to inflammation. So basically, the inflammation is the series of events of reactions of vascularized living tissue to the local injurious agent, and this reaction is aiming to the protect our body against the injurious agent. And now we will see how it causes the fever. So as you can see in the first diagram that any foreign particle, it may be bacteria, virus or fungi or any chemical agent or physical agent infect body tissue, the protective mechanism that is inflammation begins in the body. First, the leukocytes that are the WBC try to kill the invading pathogens. WBCs are the white blood cells like neutrophils, monocytes, basophils. Then the monocytes come in this scenario to phagocytize the invading pathogen. And during this reaction, they produce some chemical known as the inflammatory mediators, that is the interleukins and interferons. Mainly interleukins 2 play role in the fever. These interleukins activate the phospholipase pathway and generate prostaglandins, mainly the prostaglandin E2. And through the bloodstream, these prostaglandins travel to the anterior hypothalamus and alter the thermoregulatory set point. So we have a set point of the hypothalamus for the core temperature of our body, but these prostaglandins alter the thermoregulatory set point. This thermoregulatory set point elevated by some degree, and that's how we got fever. So this explains how inflammation causes the fever. Now we will try to understand that how fever inhibit the growth of the pathogens. Okay, so it is done by various means. First, during the fever, the hypothalamus elevates the body temperature, which in turn increase the metabolic rate of the body to get rid of the pathogens. Second way is the during the inflammation, body produces some interferons. These interferons are the nothing but they are the chemical mediators or inflammatory mediators. These interferons signals the neighboring cell to destroy the RNA and reduce the protein synthesis. Basically, the viruses uses our body mechanism to reproduce, but by reducing the protein synthesis and destroying the RNA, we will get rid of the viruses. Second, the interference also signaling the neighboring cell to undergo the apoptosis. Apoptosis is nothing but it is the natural cell death, and also activate the immune cells. Now the fever also denature the bacterial enzyme. By denaturing the bacterial enzyme, it causes the death of bacteria or it kills the bacteria. Last is the it also speeding up the mechanism that repairs tissue. So this explains us the how fever is important for the body and how fever causes the inhibition of growth of the any pathogen in our body. Thank you for the listening. Have a nice day.